Hey guys, Matt McKee here, First National at Macquarie. I'm proud to present this amazing brand new Tullipan home. Split living areas, matte black sapphire finishes, stainless steel appliances, ducted air, and an amazing alfresco overlooking the Northlakes estate. It's definitely worth checking out. Let's have a look. Thank you for viewing this amazing home. I look forward to seeing you at the inspections. And if I can help you with buying or selling, please feel free to call me anytime. And remember, sell with me, Matt McKee.